In this video, we'll be looking at an example of using the product rule to differentiate a function. Here I'm being asked to find the derivative of f of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 1 times x to the third minus 1, and then evaluate the derivative at x equals 1. This is an example of a function that doesn't require the product rule for differentiation. This function could be differentiated by first expanding and then differentiating each term individually by the power rule. However, another option would be to use the product rule, where the first factor is considered x squared minus 2x plus 1 and the second factor is x cubed minus 1. The product rule is the derivative of any function that is the product of two differentiable functions is the first factor unchanged times the derivative of the second factor plus the second factor unchanged times the derivative of the first factor. I'm thinking of x squared minus 2x plus 1 as the first factor, so in the derivative, that unchanged is x squared minus 2x plus 1, while the derivative of the second factor, x to the third minus 1, is 3x squared. The second term of the derivative is the second factor unchanged, x cubed minus 1, times the derivative of the first factor, which is 2x minus 2. This is the derivative. However, I'm going to write it as a polynomial by expanding, distributing 3x squared in the first term, and multiplying x to the third minus 1 times 2x minus 2 in the second term. That yields 3x to the fourth minus 6x to the third plus 3x squared plus 2x to the fourth power minus 2x to the third power minus 2x plus 2. Combining like terms gives me 5x to the fourth power, negative 8x to the third power, 3x to the second power, negative 2x to the first power, and the constant is positive 2. The derivative of x squared minus 2x plus 1 times the quantity of x to the third minus 1 is 5x to the fourth minus 8x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 2. Evaluating this derivative at x equals 1 yields 5 times 1 to the fourth power minus 8 times 1 to the third power plus 3 times 1 to the second power minus 2 times 1 plus 2, which is equal to 5 minus 8 plus 3 minus 2 plus 2. Working from left to right, 5 minus 8 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. 0 minus 2 is negative 2, and negative 2 plus 2 is 0.